Hey guys! So we're going to put blindfolds on and see who can hit each other the most. Who can contact the most, and no cheating. I'm gonna see if you're cheating when we finish. So I'm gonna know. Okay. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. 1. Out. 2. Out. Where are you? You gotta be right here. You keep track of yours. I'll keep track of mine. Why am I not feeling you? 3, 4, 5. 6. 7. I think I'm winning. Are you counting yours? You should be counting out loud.
Okay. 25.
Ow. Okay, are we done? Who won?
32.
Okay, we're gonna count on the camera to see who won.